Hello, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 NxtPaper S. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, tab button in the top right corner, go to Settings, enter Google Assistant and go to Voice Match. Enable this function, tap More, Next, Agree and Continue. And now let's try it out. OK Google. Now that we are sure it's working, let's go back, go to lock screen and make sure that this function is also enabled. Now we can simply lock the screen and say, "Hey Google, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
Morgen wordt het zonnig in Krakau met een maximum van 33 en een minimum van 16.
Talk English. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be sunny, with a high of 33 and a low of 16.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.